Hey, kitty. Alright, having technical difficulties. Come on. This cat is causing some ruckus, so he has to be in here with me. He has to be in here with me. Crazy cat. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video, we are going to be opening a mystery box from a Instagram page called Live Laugh Funko. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be opening a mystery box. This is the first time I've ever purchased a mystery box from an Instagram page, so I'm kind of nervous. I've purchased mystery boxes from different companies in the past, but this is actually from a Instagram page, and I ordered number 70, so hopefully we got a good box. A little bit about the mystery box. It is going to be a Grail versus exclusive mystery box. It was 30 plus shipping, US only, and on the front looks like we have a metallic or a Freddy Funko Genie, a Stitch, the Carnage, a Dragon Ball Z pop, a Harry Potter pop, and a Johnny Bravo pop. Looks like it's Grail versus exclusive mystery box, no commons, so that's good. 30 plus 5 shipped, yep, pretty good. Pick your box number of 75, so I picked 70, yep. 1 pop per box, 2 box per household. Chance to win a limited Grail, vaulted exclusive, chase diamond flock, metallic, glow, etc. Okay, your odds are 10 and 75, 150, or 100 to 550, 35 of 75, that's going to be in the $30 to 100 range, and 30 of 75 under $30. So you can't lose money on this, but yeah. So we're going ahead and crack this open really quick and see what's inside. Here we go. Alright, so I'm not exactly sure how this is going to be packaged, but there it is right there. There's the top. Alright, so is it in plastic wrap, bubble wrap? Ooh, okay. It's in this thing. So in 3, 2, 1. Bam. Aww. Womp womp. It is What About Bob. It is a Walmart exclusive. Tell you the truth, I've seen these on the shelves, and I don't know. It was not worth the 30 bucks. I can tell you that much. 30 and shipped, so nah, it's not. I kind of knew it, but that's what you get when you're opening mystery boxes. It's a mystery, so you don't know exactly what you're getting. And it did state that there are going to be 30 pops of 75 that are going to be $30 or less, or under $30, whatever. So this was an under $30 pop. So I don't know. I may purchase from them in the future. But so here we have Bob Wiley. It's a Walmart exclusive. There's the side, there's the back, the other side, and the front again. So there it is. I mean, you can get this at Walmart for like less than $10. So let me know. Let me know how I did. I did terrible. So there's that right there. That is my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Don't we, Cootie? Don't we appreciate that? Yeah, we appreciate it. He's mad. He's not having it. There you go. Shoo. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.